Electric cookers are a game changer for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen. One of my favorite hacks is to use the sauté function before pressure cooking. It locks in flavors and gives your meals that delicious, caramelized taste. Another tip? Layer your ingredients strategically. Place denser items like potatoes at the bottom and lighter veggies on top. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Don't forget about the power of steam. Using a steamer basket can transform your cooker into a versatile tool for perfectly cooked vegetables or even dumplings. And if you're in a hurry, try the quick release method for pressure cooking, just be cautious of the steam. Lastly, cleanup is a breeze with non-stick surfaces. A quick wipe down after cooking saves you time and effort. With these hacks, your electric cooker can become your best kitchen ally, making meal prep faster and easier than ever. Order now, buy now link in the description, subscribe my channel and bell icon click here.